The account page has been redesigned so pros can check their balance, review invoices, and pay without the extra steps. At the top, the account snapshot gives a live view of the outstanding balance, what's past due, and the remaining credit limit. Account admins see the full financial picture right away. Statements and invoices load directly on the page, no digging required. Hovering over any row reveals a quick pay button, and clicking it opens an inline payment modal, so pros can pay a statement or invoice on the spot without ever leaving the account page. Available credits surface automatically, so they don't get overlooked when it's time to pay. The purchasing section pulls orders and quotes together in one place, showing what's been submitted, what's confirmed, and giving quick access to start a new quote or browse products. Jobs shows the outstanding balance per job site, and Lists keeps saved product collections ready to go. Account setup allows pros to manage their payments, addresses, two-factor authentication, accounts, and team. This update results in a smoother experience overall. Everything a pro would normally have to hunt for is now there on one page.